Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download WordPress and configure WordPress in your local machine with the help of XAMPP server. So first we'll search WordPress download in a Google search, and you can see the search results here, and click on wordpress.org. You can install WordPress. There are two ways, that is you can download and install in a wordpress.com, that is a live application, or if you want to download WordPress in a local, so you need to download from the wordpress.org. Through this package you can install and develop a application in a local server. So first we'll download the WordPress here. Click on the link. So here you can see that latest version is of 5.4.2 now, as of now. So once it's downloaded, go to download location. Here right click and extract here. Then go to double click on WordPress folder. So you need to copy all the files and go to C drive, htdocs, C drive XAMPP, htdocs. Here create a new folder as your application name. So currently I'll give it name as WordPress. So currently I given as a WordPress test, and pasted the copied files. Okay, so all the files are copied here under htdocs folder, and this is WordPress test application name. And once copied, so we need to create a database for the application. So go to XAMPP, and as you can see, Apache and MySQL are running. So click on MySQL admin. It will navigate to localhost PHP admin, that is our database settings here. So click on new, provide the database name. So in my case it is I creating database name as my application name. So click on create. So as you can see, it's a database is created. So once database is created, we need to provide database name in WP configuration file. So go to WordPress folder of your application, rename WP config sample to WP config, and edit the file. Here provide database name, and DB username should be root, and DB password should be blank, and save the file and close the file. Now open browser and search localhost / your application name. Then it will navigate to installation folder here. So select the language. So I'm selecting English United States as a language, and click on continue. So here get to the WordPress application installation wizard. You need to provide a WordPress site. So I provided a WordPress site title as a WordPress test, and a username I'm providing admin, and password you can give customized. So my password is already generated. I'll take this password. Then click on install WordPress. I'm providing my dummy email ID here, so click on install WordPress. it is asking for the confirmation. So WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. So click on login now. So you need to provide credentials, username and password. Click on login button. So you are able to log in successfully. So this is our dashboard, WordPress dashboard, where you can create post and pages, and you can add plugins here, and if you want to change theme, you can do everything here. So I'll show you my draft version of site. So this is your site now. So if you want to customize and if you want to change, you can change it here. So your appearance, click on themes. So currently my WordPress themes is just set to 2020. You can change the themes here, you can add the themes here, and you can add the pages. So currently these are the 2 pages post. So these are the post, and settings you can add. If you want to make changes here in user profile, you can go and under users, you can add users here. Thank you.